Hey there, welcome back. What are today's messages that we need to hear? Control. Link your own constellations and take control. And one more today. Life is about using the whole box of crayons. Let's roll the dice today. Number 4. Let's see what today's messages are. Do not sell your soul in exchange of anything. This is the only thing you have brought into this world and the only thing you can take back. Rumi. Let them call you crazy, but don't let them drain your focus. Easier said than done. Seek connections that make you feel seen, understood, and valued. I love that one. So important. Today, ask your body what it needs, and then listen. By Lee Harris. Don't give up on the person you're becoming. People write because no one listens. And the last one today. Rest is not idle. It's not wasteful. Sometimes rest is the most productive thing you can do for the body and soul. Erica Lane. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.